Okay. What's up, guys? All the bunkers here. Today we're gonna have a look at a 30-inch LED bar. I installed it in MK6 2012 Golf wagon. This one for camping, but normally they install it to the 4-wheel drive. But I tried to install into the Golf. It looks pretty cool. Yeah. So first of all, just gonna let you that so that broadcast here. So I've got roof racks, and then it just fitted. So even look at this. You can have the between the roof and bar. You can have a space for it as well. So it's pretty cool. So that wire comes out here. Like if you have a look at it, yep, all the way to here. So I bought it. So then here. So this one's pretty thick wire, and then it goes here, and then I use this, and then attach here, and then from China like 6mm, but like you guys can have like I reckon like a 4.5 is good, 4.5 or 4mm wires. It's got a 2 wires, so power and earth, so 2 wire all the way here, and then take it off of this, and then this wire all the way come down to the rear bumper, and then it's got a hole in it here, so then it'll go underneath. So you gotta under the door, on the bumper guard, bumper cover off, and then this wire all the way here to the next to spring, and then this one goes to there. So behind this I think this is a upper control arm. So behind that, and then the cable tie, because this is very important that the wire doesn't get seized up or blocked any movement, like suspension. So wire goes there, and then there, and then all the way to here, next to stabilizer linkage here, and then all the way there, and then all the way, then all the way to fuel tank, and then to the front. So here the wiring goes into the, so when you take it off this, the mudguard cover, and then you can take the wire here. This is the driver's seat. So here is Australia, so the driver's side. I pulled it off from here, and then you have to remove this and that, and then the actual wiring comes from there, and then here all the way here, and then coming down here. So then I install relay for it, and then a fuse as well. So I got So this is what you can buy. This pretty neat. You can have a neat wiring. So got the fuse. I bought a fuse from the eBay as well. So insert fuse. So fuse, relay, battery, and then goes over there to the LED bar. So then I made a switch right here. So that switch wire is, it needs power. So that power also goes there. There is in there, there's bung, so you can take it off the 13mm nut. So behind the wiper arm, they have like a 13mm the bolt. So you got to take it up the bolt, and then the wire through there, and then which is comes out from the accelerator pedal. So if you have any questions, let me know, or I'll guide you how to do it. So this is it.